Welcome to 12th Standard Computer Application Chapter 2. This is Part 5. The learning objectives of this video is how to save the document, how to close the document, how to scroll the document, how to move around the document, magnify particular part. All these we are going to see in this video. Okay. First, saving, closing and opening documents. How to save a document. Why we have to save the document? We have to save the document for future use. After using the document, after creating the document, you have to close the document. Whenever you want to retrieve later, you have to open the document. What are the steps to save a document? Choose File, Save. File menu is available, Save option is available. So File, Save in the menu bar. File name should be given in the file name list box. Then click Save button. Okay, after typing the file name in the file name list box, you have to click Save button. And after saving for the first time, again if you want to save, you have to press Save button or Control S. Saving a document with a new name or in a different location. What are the steps to save a document? Save as command creates a new copy of the document. For that, you have to click File Save As in the menu bar or press Shift plus Control plus S. Immediately, Save Publication dialog box will appear. Type a new name or specify a new location. So in this slide, we are going to learn how to create a file, save a document with new name or in a different location. Okay, save publication dialog box will appear. Type a new name or specify a new location. Then click Save button. See, this is Save Publication dialog box. So the name is not given, so by default Untitled 1 will be there. This is the file name text box and the location you can select wherever you want. Okay, then save in. This is the location, and here only you have to give the file name. How to close? This is a very easy. After finishing your work regarding that file, you can close the file using File Close or Ctrl plus W. If you want to open an existing document, use File Open or click Open icon. Open icon will be available on the toolbar or in the keyboard shortcut. You can use Ctrl plus O. Open Publication dialog box will appear. In that, you have to mention the file name and then click Open. You can open an existing document only. See, the file name is given in the file name list box. The name of the file to be opened can be chosen from the list. Whichever file you want, you can choose from the list which is displayed. Then click Open button. Now the required file is opened. How will you move around the document? Using mouse pointer. By using mouse and keyboard, we can move around the document. Mouse pointer means you can click wherever you need to move, you can click the mouse pointer. Whenever you want to move around the document using keyboard, you have to use arrow key and other key combination can be used. See, one character to the left arrow. Navigation keys are available on the keyboard. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So one character means one letter to the left. Character is nothing but one letter or one alphabet, you can say. One character to the right means right arrow. One word. Character is totally different from one word. Word means control should be added with the left arrow. To the right means Control plus right arrow. One line up up arrow, down one line, down arrow, to the end of the line, end the key, to the beginning of the line, home key. One paragraph means control plus up arrow, down one paragraph means control plus down arrow. These keys are used to move around the document. Scrolling. You have two scroll bars, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar to scroll. Apart from this, you can move up and down movement keys, left and right movements. Left and right arrow keys are used. Up and down arrow keys are used. Magnifying and reducing with zoom tool. How will you magnify particular portion alone if you want to magnify? Plus sign is used to magnify your view and minus sign is used to reduce, reduction mode. Toggle between magnify by pressing control key. Zoom in and zoom out can also be done. Maximum magnification on reduction level, then it is black. It is maximum. To magnify part of the page by dragging, select the zoom tool, drag to draw marquee around the area you want to magnify. Which area you want to magnify? To zoom in or zoom out while using another tool, Control plus space bar is used to zoom in. Control plus Alt plus space bar is used to zoom out. Okay. See here, magnified. Magnify or reduce with zoom tool diagram. Use the zoom tool to magnify or reduce the display of an area in your publication. You can also double click the zoom tool to jump to actual size or press Alt as you double click the tool to go to fit in window. To magnify or reduce with the zoom tool, first you have to select the zoom tool. The pointer becomes a magnifying glass with a plus sign in its center, indicating that the zoom tool will magnify your view of the image. To toggle between magnification and reduction, press the control key. Position the magnifying glass at the center of the area you want to magnify or reduce and then click to zoom in or zoom out. How will you magnify part of a page? By dragging.